Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to add team members in PandaDoc. All right, so first up, go and log into your PandaDoc account. And once you're in here on your dashboard, go to the bottom left, click on Invite Users. Okay, just click on it and go ahead and add the invitee email. Okay, if you want to send an invitation to multiple emails, make sure to separate the email addresses with a comma or space. Okay, for example, I'm going to add in madeformoney@gmail.com space another email gmail.com. Now once that's done, go ahead and go to role, click on the drop down, and you have these permissions. Okay, for admin, it can access documents created by members in same workspace plus other information, and an admin can also access all settings. Manager right here can access documents created by members in same workspace plus other information, and can also add new members to the workspace. And member only right here can access their own documents and others templates, but cannot access documents created by other members. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and select admin and then just hit on send invitation. Just a note here, as new users join your account, they'll occupy any unused seat. Okay, just hit on send invitation, and it says here your invitations have been sent. Now, when we go ahead over to settings right here and click on team, as you can see, you will be charged depending on the seats that you have, or depending on how many users you have in here on your workspace. Okay, as you can see here, for 3 seats, I will be charged $1,764 a year. Okay, when you go ahead over to manage seats right here, as you can see at the top right, business annual plan, $1,764 for 3 seats and 12 months, $49. Okay, and that is it. All these persons are going to do next is just to hit on confirm in their email. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.